All right, guys, I am gonna show you how to turn your little potbelly grill into a smoker. So to smoke on a potbelly grill like this, what you have to use is the snake method. And the way that you do the snake method is you build a snake around the perimeter of the grill about halfway. And what it does is it burns slowly. So that is the key. You could do this with lump charcoal, and you could also do it with briquettes. With briquettes, you'll get a lower temperature burn, and it will burn longer. When using lump charcoal, it burns a little bit hotter and quicker. So you just gotta maintain what you're doing. So the basic premise of the snake method is you start low, like this, and then you build the pile as you get more towards the back of the grill. You then place a little pan of water in the middle because you're gonna need some added moisture, and then you light your fire on your low end of the snake. It will slowly burn all the way around and have you somewhere between that 250 and 325 degrees with the lid down, and now you have created a smoker. So we just put the lid on, or the grill top on. After that is lit, then this goes down, and then we're maintaining that nice even heat throughout your entire smoke. And that's what you want with smoking, low and slow. Now remember, when you grill, you're grilling over a higher heat and for a shorter period of time. So tougher cuts, you would smoke low and slow. Short ribs, pork ribs, brisket, pork butt, things of that nature that have a lot of intermuscular fat, you have to cook them slow to render out the fat and make them tender. Things that you want to grill are items that are leaner and more tender naturally that cook quickly. Tenderloin, ribeye, strip steak, chops, all those things you would grill. So if you're grilling, you're gonna go over a high heat, quick cook. If you're smoking, those tougher cuts, low heat, long cook. That's the difference between smoking and grilling.